The woman, be careful sisters in Islam, the woman who will be clothed but naked. Kasiyatun ariyat. The Prophet ﷺ said, among the inhabitants of Jahannam, which he did not see during his time, are women that are dressed yet naked. How could that be? The clothing does not do the job. What's the job of the hijab or the jilbab or niqab or shib or whatever you call it, khimar? To hide and cover the woman from the people. That's the main goal. So no one will harass her. No one will think of raping her. No one will think of molesting her, which is what is happening everywhere else in the world because of the nature or the way women dress and conduct themselves. In Islam, woman was honored beyond that. She's not some toy for men to play around with. She has been given rights and privileges and honor, one of which is her keeping her modesty. If she doesn't do so, and if you go to the market, you think these women don't believe. You will be traumatized. You've seen them. Don't you see them in Ramadan? In Ramadan. Wal-iyadhu billah. Women on some other stuff, man. Wearing, I don't know what, everything is just fitna. Everything is calling you to look. We're not dumb. We tell the sisters, men are not stupid. When they see a woman dressed a certain way, they understand the message that you want men to admire you. It's known, trust me. A man can tell in split second what the woman is about. The way she conducts herself, the way she dresses. So don't think that the men are unaware, oh sister in Islam, who are hearing this in the future, that they recognize your intentions. And forget about us. What about Allah Azza wa Jal? Aren't you ashamed of Allah? That He, from above the 7 heavens, knows your intentions, that you want to go out in the marketplace with the very intention that people, they admire your jilbab. Oh, nice, whatever, jewelry they put now, I don't even know what they call them. Nice, rainbow color hijab. And nice, not I'm saying that the hijab colorful is not okay. She may wear blue or yellow, whatever. It's not black as many people think, but whatever is according to the customs of the people, so that she will not stand out. That's all. But the hijab with a different color is fine. Don't misunderstand me. But I'm talking about the one that is designed in such a way that it becomes attractive. It becomes attractive. Otherwise, a plain hijab that is of any color, no problem. No problem. But these clothing are out there. Most of the women today wear them. And these sisters do not understand that they are playing with the fire. They have received the threat. And the Prophet ﷺ said they will not enter Jannah, nor will they smell its fragrance. They will not even come close to Jannah because of the way they dressed. So sisters in Islam, fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You are, as some of the Muslims said, a jewel. You are a jewel, a diamond. You don't put a diamond out in the street for everyone walking by to touch it or see it or perhaps pick it up and go home with it. What do? You keep it in a safe. Nice, locked in, so no one will have access to it. This is the woman in Islam. So the woman should have this understanding and act accordingly. Insha'Allah ta'ala. Your jilbab should be boring. You should be boring. Everything about you should be boring when you're out mixing with the men, with the strangers. When you go home with your husband, I don't need to tell you what to do. Every woman knows. This is by nature. Allah created them in this fashion. But outside, it's none of the business of the strangers to be admiring you in any way, shape or form.